Tom and the Cat. Tom was a little boy. He had a small brown cat. The cat's name was Kit. Kit was sleeping on a chair. Tom wanted to play. He said, "Wake up, Kit." Kit opened one eye. Then Kit closed the eye. Tom got a red ball. He put the ball near Kit. Kit saw the ball. Kit locked the ball. Kit, wake up. Kit jumped off the chair. Kit played with the ball. Tom laughed and clapped. Kit ran fast. Tom ran too. They were happy. Tom said, "Good cat, Kit." Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. Was Tom a little boy or a big boy? Tom was a little boy. What color was the cat? The cat was brown. What was the cat's name? The cat's name was Kit. Where was Kit sleeping? Kit was sleeping on a chair. What did Tom want to do? Tom wanted to play. What color was the ball? The ball was red. Did Kit lock the ball? Yes, Kit locked the ball. Did Kit jump off the chair or stay on the chair? Kit jumped off the chair. What did Tom do when he was happy? Tom laughed and clapped. Did Tom say "Good cat, Kit" or "Go away, Kit"? Tom said "Good cat, Kit." Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.